let's see if this is gonna work today. So what we've got going on is I've got a sync update, and see yourself, hopefully I'm in focus. Anyways, I've got the sync file here. You have to download it from Ford, and I think it's like 2 gigs or bigger. This 4 gig stick USB, and then it has to be unzipped. The file needs to be unzipped, and then it needs to be in a FAT32 form. I tried it the other day. Safari didn't download it correctly, so then I had to download it on Chrome. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot this time. So turn the air on real quick, get everything going, charge my phone. So let's see. So there's Grace Note. That's the old, you know, I mean, this thing hasn't been updated for a few years. So let's get the lights on. Alrighty, so in here, come on, USB, and then there's a line in. USB is on, it's in. It says it could take up to 30 minutes for this update. So we will see what's up. Clear all this shit. Okay, it's charging. Alright, so menu or media, settings, install, begin installation, yes, installing file, now before what it was saying was it said it couldn't detect the file. You know, we had the voice come on and file cannot be detected or something like that. So this is,
your download is in progress and the system may reboot several times during the update. Please ignore the initial installation complete prompt and wait up to 10 minutes until you hear your sync system update was completed. You may then use sync.
well, there we go. So
Installation complete. The system will now reboot. Please wait a few moments before trying to use the system.
So I guess it's just a sync update. I thought it was more than that, because you're supposed to send a vehicle health report before doing this, and Ford is actually discontinuing the vehicle health report. It just downloaded the new sync info, and here we go. So I will get back to you once this is done, and we'll see if there's any difference on the screen. Okay, so now that, I mean, this is gonna be a quick minute, I thought we'd go for a little drive just to, I don't know, instead of sitting somewhere just waiting for this to be done. I mean, let's take a little cruise around. So we're gonna hit up the freeway. Shouldn't be too packed. I mean, it might be. Green. Fucking dickhead. back to this. So installation complete. I'll wait till 27, and if it hasn't been done yet, maybe we'll just turn it off and turn it back on. I've got a manual, a screenshot of what to do on my phone, so we'll pull off to where we need to go, and we'll see what's up. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, yeah, the last sync was September 1st, 2011. That was the last time this was done. It was actually confirmed, or who knows what. So, I'm not really. You've recently downloaded. Yes, it's on the update. Okay, what is enough? All right, so it's in. We're gonna go ahead and just shut it down. Take out the USB and see what it does. Let me. USB out. Cool. USB is out, and then you open the door. Let's turn off the lights, and then it's like gone. Lock it, unlock it. Hey, we're back. Okay, cool. And we're here. Nothing looks different now. Did it go through? I don't know. Let's see. Sync reboot. Confirm reboot, yes. Rebooting. We'll figure it out. Let's see what's going on. Well, I am not exactly sure if I don't think we got it done. It got stuck, it seemed like, so we are going to go up and get the computer and read the whole details and whatnot. I didn't have it on my phone. I did pull up the sync on my Ford how-tos, blah blah blah. Could not find it here, so we will go ahead and try it out. So we'll figure it out and we'll get back to you. Alright, cool. So I finished the upload, and basically what I had to do was I just pulled out the file again, and then pulled out the USB, then reattached it back in, reattached the USB back in, and then went through the prompt again, which was in the media, in the settings, click on the settings, and then it was down here. Then I hit install again, went through the whole process, and this time it actually worked. Brought everything up to date, which shows what song is being played, because before it would just say something else. But anyways, all I had to do was re-upload the file, and then it downloaded, and everything's perfect. So thanks for stopping in. If you found it helpful, or just watch the video, throw that thumbs up and subscribe. That'd be awesome, and catch you on the next one. Later.